Jai Gurudev student. Jai Gurudev student and very good morning to all of you. Today we revise lesson 10 respiration in organisms. So first we see what is respiration. Respiration is the chemical process of the release of energy from food substances in all living cells. And respiration is of two types, anaerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration when foodstuffs are oxidized in the presence of oxygen, and in anaerobic respiration oxygen is absent. So when foodstuffs are oxidized in the absence of oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration, and in this anaerobic respiration oxidation of the carbohydrate takes place with the formation of carbon dioxide, ethyl alcohol or lactic acid and energy, and the energy released during this process is much less than that during aerobic respiration. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में एनर्जी ज़्यादा रिलीज होती है, एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में कम होती है. इन नाउ वी सी रेस्पिरेशन इन ह्यूमंस. सो द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ nostrils, nasal cavity, trachea and bronchi, and these together with lungs form the respiratory system in humans. Nose helps air to enter the respiratory system. The most nasal passage trap dust particles and germs. जितने भी dust particle germs होते हैं वो सब nasal passage में ही स्टिक हो जाते हैं. Then trachea connects the pharynx and larynx to the lungs. Trachea branches into two smaller tubes called bronchi. These two called bronchi, which are connected to the right and left lungs. ये right और left lungs से connect होती हैं. Main respiratory organ in human beings is lungs. Alveoli are the functional unit of lungs, and alveoli help in exchange of gases. And larynx is also known as voice box. Now we see respiration in other animals. So gaseous exchange occurs in different animals in a variety of ways through skin or cell membrane. In amphibians or unicellular earthworm and amoeba, then through gills in fishes, then through air holes in insects, and through lungs. We humans are respire through lungs. So these are in other animals. Now respiration in plants. So gaseous exchange in plants occurs through small pores called stomata, present on the stem and leaves of plant. Stomata consist of guard cells. These are two guard cells. Contraction and expansion of guard cells regulate the closing and opening of stomata for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In plants, each part can independently take in oxygen from air, utilize it to obtain energy, and gives out carbon dioxide. So respiration occurs in plants through stomata, in leaves, through root hair in roots, and through lenticles in stems. So this is all about respiration. Now read the chapter thoroughly. I am giving you some questions, so do them. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.